Hey, hey, hey! What's up, crypto fans? This is Jeff once again, also known as the Crypto Nomad. And for this review, I will be talking about the SLP Network. Okay guys, so this is just a quick rundown on what is this all about. So if you want to participate, just go to SLP.network. So they are a decentralized exchange platform for bonus points. Yep, it is especially for the loyalty programs with a blockchain-based bonus point exchange, dedicated loyalty token wallets, and a targeted marketing engine. So if you want to join their whitelist, just click it right here. And also to follow their latest developments and progress regarding SLP Network. So you can join any of these social media channels right here, such as Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, Bitcointalk, and Medium. And of course, to be honest, guys, I love loyalty programs, guys. So, in my own experience regarding loyalty programs, let's say I was so loyal in buying in that specific store or an online store. So, if I continue buy in their platform, they have loyalty rewards in which I could exchange that for discounts or something like that. And of course, I know there are so many loyalty programs out there, guys, but I want to know, or we would like to know, what makes SLP Network different from any loyalty programs out there in the market. Okay, so but before that, of course, you can see that SLP Network was published in this various sites right here, of course. And of course, here are the problems that were explained right here, as you have seen here on the screen. So the platform itself aims to resolve major inefficiencies in current methods of loyalty program operations and processing, making loyalty programs a more engaging, meaningful, and rewarding experience for both businesses and customers. And of course, one of the problems is that 54% of the loyalty memberships are inactive. So this is one of the issues that we are experiencing right now in this industry. As more consumers participate in brand loyalty programs, more loyalty points are going unclaimed. So a recent survey by Bond Brand Loyalty, it records $100 billion in unused points, and the abandonment trend where members decide a loyalty program isn't worth their time. Yep, it keeps increasing, in which, in short, it was underused. And of course, another problem right here in the loyalty industry is that 59% of the customers ignore irrelevant loyalty communications. Regardless of which type of loyalty program model businesses use, consumers are more demanding than ever. So it means weak connection with customers can result in losing those who join but fail to participate, in customer attrition, where customers' perception of program value has declined over time. So in short, it's what we call negligence. So these are the two common problems that we're having right now, and the SLP network comes into play, in which they would finally end all of these inefficiencies that we are experiencing in the loyalty market. And of course, you can see the solution, in which they are implementing an infrastructure through which businesses can issue, process, and use tokenized loyalty points on a distributed blockchain platform, in which will enable customers to exchange bonus points using the platform's primary currency, the SLP token. So for those of you who want to know what SLP is, of course, this is the ticker symbol of the SLP network, and you can use them to spend earned bonus points on rewards and products that matter to them personally. And as a result, the brand loyalty experiences that are more efficient, interactive, and engaging. So for me, guys, I think I'm looking forward to this one when it comes to the loyalty stuff. So, well, I'm excited actually, guys, because this is something new to me when it comes to exchange bonus points, And of course, you can see the SLP journey right here. So you can discover. After you discover, you can earn, and then you can exchange, and then you can target, as a partner, of course. And you can see right here the product. So it enables the trade of bonus points from various loyalty programs by introducing a secure and fast loyalty token marketplace, providing a whole new customer engagement channel for businesses and making the benefits of reward programs much more valuable to consumers. Wow. So for me, I think this is amazing. And of course, the data collected from transactions performed by customers is bundled and provided to merchants and brands, driving personalized, direct, and efficient marketing, lowering costs, and facilitating effective direct interaction between businesses and consumers. So it looks promising to me as well. And you can see that they have a mobile and a desktop version. Of course, when it comes to the mobile application, this is how it looks like, guys. So for consumers, it enables discovery, earning, accrual, and exchange of loyalty points for brand per platform participants, in which you can secure anonymous wallets for SLP and loyalty point tokens. And of course, they have a fast marketplace for cross-brand exchange with community-driven rates, and also has a smart contract-based offers and reward redemption. As for the desktop, of course, this is how it looks like, guys. And when it comes to the web application for businesses, it enables direct and accessible customization of loyalty program operations. So it includes customization of loyalty programming rules and conditions. They also have the customer loyalty activity management. And finally, it has robust analytics reporting engine. And of course, the technology behind the SLP network is that they are implementing an infrastructure in which SLP token users, loyal customers, and businesses coexist in a shared blockchain platform. The customer data, tokens, transactions, and loyalty program triggers will flow between entities through business-specific smart contract layers, and also the transactions will be processed by trusted nodes selected by consensus among the business's token issuers who are present on the platform. And of course, you can see the key features right here, such as user-friendly transaction speed, tolerant brokerage fees, marketplace independence, and data anonymity and privacy. And of course, one of the essential things that we need to know for a project before we are going to participate is that we make sure that the roadmap looks promising and attractive, okay? So if we take a look at the roadmap, it includes technology development, operational infrastructure installment, signing partnerships, and launching marketing initiatives. And they present the preliminary roadmap right here. Of course, you can see that these dates and activities may be subject to change if necessary. And of course, from 2013, they have founded this one, Sale Play, and raised angel financing from Alter VZ. So, move forward to this year. So, they got confirmed interest from leading global and national retail businesses, restaurants, and airlines. And of course, they'll be conducting an initial coin offering. So you can see that the vision of the project is finalized. Final white paper version is released. Okay. As you can see right here, it is important for us to read the white paper as well. So I will be showing to you the white paper later on. And of course, the token itself is deployed on the Ethereum platform and a public crowd sale is commenced. And here are the rest right here. Expecting in the third quarter the development of the SLP platform for businesses as well, and expecting that next year there will be a development of consumer apps and interfaces, and there will be the launch of the customer applications, and of course expect that there will be expansion and growth of the ecosystem to other markets and geography. So for me to summarize this roadmap, of course, I think this is one of the most promising, and it's attractive for me. And when massive adoption comes, there is no doubt that SLP Network would be a huge success. And of course, here are the advisors of the SLP Network. Okay, so Mr. Mike Brusov, of course, from the syndicator, alright, Christopher Wynn, or Wine, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. So he's from Papa John's, okay. Mr. Igor Levon, he is from the Goldman Sachs, and also McKinsey and Company. Mr. Dmitry Shmakov from the Token Fund and ChronoPay, and of course, here is the development team behind the SLP network. Okay, so they bring together a team of highly skilled professionals in the field of IT loyal solutions with broad combined experience worldwide on cutting-edge technology and innovations. So you can see right here, 6 are from sales and marketing, 7 from the research and development, 7 from the project management, and 5 from the executive team. So, of course, you can see right here, the founder, Mr. Leonid Shangin. Alright, so he is the CEO and co-founder of the SailPlay. Alright, so, and here are the rest of the team, guys. And, of course, with this amazing, dedicated, and passionate team, I truly believe that SLP Network has a bright future ahead. And I think they are heading on the right direction because of Leonid's vision, you know. Leonid, of course, is a great visionary. Of course, that he is here to make a difference together with the rest of the team. So guys, you are doing a great job in this one. So not just they are working hard, but they are working smart as well. You know, to make SLP Network a huge success. And also, you can see that here are the team experience right here, and also some of the SailPlay clients right here. And of course, when it comes to their token sale details, so you can see the token distribution, the payment methods. Of course, they are accepting bank transfer, guys. To be honest, guys, this is just one of the few ICOs who are accepting bank transfers for purchasing tokens. And of course, you can see the exchange rate right here. $1 is equal to 100 SLP tokens, and it has around 4 billion total token supply. And of course, if you want to participate, you need to have at least a balance of 0.1 Ethereum or and above, alright? And of course, if you have BTC Litecoin, it should be equivalent to this one, alright? And of course, yep, we are now at the end of the website. Alright, so all you have to do is just join the whitelist. Of course, if you want to keep updated, regarding the token sale. So if you want to be the first in line, all you have to do is to click this. All right. So at least I have shown to you a bit on what SLP Network is all about. So without further ado, guys, let's go now to the white paper. Okay, guys, so let's go now to the white paper of SLP Network. Okay, so I have already opened this in the new tab, and this is how it looks like. It is around 51 pages of content. So white paper is essential for us if you want to understand everything, like some in-depth information, technical details or so. It is better for you to download and save it as a PDF file. Okay, so no matter if you are using a PC, MacBook, just like mine right here, Android or iOS device, even if you're offline, you can take your time to read the white paper. Okay, so I'm just showing this to you a bit, okay, so I'm not going to read all of this. I'm just giving you guys a preview on how the white paper looks like for SLP Network. So you can see the disclaimer, of course, the important notices, and of course the disclosures regarding this white paper, and other details right here. You can see the table of contents, the introduction, of course, explaining the problem, of course, and how SLP Network would finally solve all of this, okay, and also the team experience. So you can see the SailPlay clients. Okay, And of course, the market overview, which includes the market size, of course, the competition. Alright, so you can see some of the competitors right here, such as Points.com, Zeek, Rewards, LoyalCoin. Speaking of LoyalCoin, I'm a holder, of course, and of course, you can see the architecture right here for the SLP network. So you can see the user scope, the customer scope, and for the business, the key principles, the SLP blockchain data structure. Of course, there's a token layer right here, and this is how it looks like for the business triggers. And you can see right here SLP token wallets, business issued loyalty token wallets, the CRM layer. Of course, we have the proof of loyalty, the analytics layer, and of course right here the SLP platform processing, which includes the marketplace processing, loyalty processing. Of course, they have a data privacy, of course, which includes customer data privacy, business data privacy, and of course here's the technology behind the SLP network, which includes the key principles and goals, the consensus model, of course, the transaction processing and encryption, and this is the private processing of the token exchange transactions. And of course, we keep scrolling down, the SLP platform, which includes the SLP token itself, the key components and processes of it, the revenue model, the incentives for consumers and businesses, and of course you can see the apps and interfaces right here. So this is how it looks like if you are using a mobile phone, the consumer apps and website, and of course the web interface for businesses. And of course, we have already discussed the roadmap, so you can take your time to read more about this. And of course, you can see the milestones right here, such as the platform implementation, apps and web interfaces development, ecosystem expansion, of course. We also have the geographical expansion plan, of course. Wow. So, yep, I'm from the Philippines. Hopefully, SLP Network would also be implementing their service here in the Philippines as well. So I'm looking forward to it. And you can see the token sale. It's already explained. Okay. But this is much more detailed, of course. You can see the token sale proceeds. And of course, it is very common for us to have a KYC, so that it would verify that you are a real person, you know. And of course, you can see a team and advisors. I've already introduced them to you, and you can see the team experience. And here are the risk factors. Of course, one risk connected to the SLP tokens. And of course, the blockchain and software risks. It was all mentioned here. The security risks, the risk relating to platform development, the risk arising in course of company parties' business, and of course, the governmental risk, and of course, the risk of being a security. And here are the SLP disclosures as we are about to reach the end of the white paper, such as the legal structure of the SLP and some additional information right here. And if you have any questions, you can contact them in their email at info@slp.network. Okay? So at least I've showed you the white paper. So before I would like to end my review about SLP Network, I would like to share some of my few honest thoughts regarding this project. Okay guys, so I have to be honest with you with the SLP network. So as what I have read in the white paper from the project concept, the features, benefits, to the roadmap, to the team, and so on. For me, SLP network is something unique, something different, is something new to me compared to the other loyalty programs that I have ever seen. You know, because as what I've said earlier, one of the key problems that we have right now is that there are so many loyalty points that were unused. You know, no matter what loyalty program you are in right now, And this is where SLP Network comes into play, in which they are, they're on the right track, and I think they are a few steps ahead because, it is our chance, guys, to use those bonus loyalty points to be purchased, to purchase some stuff that we want in the form of SLP tokens. So that is what I understand about it. So for me, I think with this amazing project, there is no doubt that SLP Network is going to be one of the most successful projects right now. Of course, I know there are so many promising and reliable projects out there, but if I were you guys, you may not want to miss this one because SLP Network is going to be huge, especially in the loyalty market. So for me, I think there is no doubt that SLP Network is going to be successful. Okay. So with this amazing and hardworking team, and advisors, I think they are here to make a difference in a serious way, when it comes to loyalty stuff. And of course, I have no question, about their project. It may be simple but very powerful. So, wow, the simple idea alone is really good. Not just good, it's fantastic. Wow. So for me, I think the team are doing a great job in putting up this project together. There's no doubt that SLP Network is going to be a huge success, not just for this year, but in many years to come. Okay. So guys, if you want to participate in the SLP Network token sale, so all you have to do is to join whitelist. Okay. So when the token sale commences, they will notify you via email. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video review about the SLP Network. So if you think that this video review has helped you in any way, just share this to your crypto friends out there, especially those who are looking for some promising and reliable projects out there like the SLP Network. And of course, guys, never forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you haven't been a subscriber, okay, so, or maybe if you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, of course, make sure you do it. So, okay. So if you want to stay updated with my latest videos about cryptocurrency, all you have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so once again, if you would like to participate in the SLP Network token sale, just go to slp.network. Okay, so this is all for now. Thank you so much. My name is Jeff, also known as the Crypto Nomad, and I'm signing off. Bye-bye.